Doing my schoolwork. It's gonna be great.
Which of the following is an adaptation of these lions?
I'm thinking that because it's my first time doing my schoolwork online. Same other videos, so yeah. So
The ability to run, eating animals like warthog, living on the African savanna. Sorry, but that's not right. C is not the correct answer. Living on the African savanna is not an adaptation of lions. It's a description of their habitat. The fact that they hunt in groups, called prides, is a behavioral adaptation, though. Let's try it again. The ability to run quickly. Eating animals. The ability to run quickly. Eating animals. Right on.
Yay!
The correct answer is A. The ability to run quickly in order to catch prey such as this warthog is definitely an adaptation of lions. It's a genetic trait that helps the lions survive and reproduce on the savannas of Africa.
Okay, I'm done here. So what else?
All right, so before we report back to Wilcott, let's get our new knowledge organized by using a diagram. All right. Compare and contrast the physical and behavioral adaptations of organisms by dragging each answer choice to its correct location. Compare and contrast the physical and behavioral adaptations of organisms by dragging each answer choice being part of anatomy.
Okay, sorry guys, you might not be able to hear. I guess you can. Why ain't it showing up?
Being part of anatomy. Trait of an organism. Part of horns for fighting predators. Herding together for helps an organism survive. Gills for breathing. Part of how an organism acts. Being nocturnal. Part of anatomy. Helps an organism survive. Gills for breathing. You didn't get it right this time. Trait. Herding together for protection.
Here we go.
Nice try, but not quite. Here's how the diagram looks when it's been filled in correctly. Adaptations are genetic traits of an organism that help the organism to survive. Physical adaptations are part of an organism's anatomy. Horns and gills are examples. Behavioral adaptations are part of how an organism acts. For example, being nocturnal or active at night is a behavioral adaptation. So is herding together for protection from predators. For example, being nocturnal or active at night is a behavioral adaptation. So is herding together for protection from predators. For example, being nocturnal or active at night is a behavioral adaptation. So is herding together for protection. Look sharp. We're going to meet with Wilcott. Welcome back, Minekeeper. Let's look over what you learned about adaptation. First of all, an adaptation is a genetic trait that helps an organism survive and reproduce in a particular environment. Now, there's two types of adaptations. Physical adaptations are part of the anatomy of an organism, or how its body is constructed. Examples of physical adaptations are a great white shark's coloration, gills, and teeth. The other type of adaptation is behavioral adaptations. A behavioral adaptation is an adaptation that is a way an organism acts. An example of this kind of adaptation would be how a great white shark